of snow this morning. Yes, that's a squirrel butt in the feeder. About 7 inches, I think. There are still people on the road, not many.